What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're a Market Marauders investment channel, helps you to find best deals in the market. That's something you're interested in. Make sure that thumbs up definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, today we're talking about Bitcoin's fall. So Bitcoin fell significantly today. It was pretty crazy how much it fell. Started off like a normal day. It was up at like 58k, you know, continuing its climb, and then it just fell off like crazy. So, in my opinion, just going to give my synopsis of what I think is going on, and how I'm going to kind of play this move in Bitcoin. So, it had quite a bit of dips. It fell off to 46k, 46,730 at one point in time. At the time of the video, it's at 52,530. So it's at that level, kind of hovering around that level the current time of the video. So just bear that in mind. It may be lower depending on when you watch the video. But the whole market in general, it seems to be pretty low. A lot of selling is going on. But what I think is going to happen, I'm one of the people who I firmly believe that Bitcoin definitely has a price target of like 200K. So I think it definitely can go up to like 200K a Bitcoin. But I think now is the time that people shouldn't really be panic selling, because we still do have inflation on the horizon. So it seems like a lot of people are taking profits in the actual stock market itself. And you also got to think, tax time is coming up as well. People shuffling around their portfolios. I think now's a good time. If you've been sitting on the sideline, you got a couple little extra cash. For me personally, I'm going to throw a little bit more into some Bitcoin, diversify with some Ethereum, maybe buy some Doge. But I think in general, the market selling off is not a bad thing. I think we're going to see a lot of more corporations start to jump in. But when you have a company like Tesla who puts 1.5 million or 1.5 billion into you know Bitcoin, we definitely can see it's not really going anywhere. They made, I think it was like a billion dollars the first week, but then kind of lost it with this downward trend that's happening now. But I think now is a good time where, what people say in the market, buy the dip. So they are bearish. We can see on here the indicators that I use is the moving average 10, 50, and 100. So the moving average 10 line is below the 50 and 100. So for me, I would say that this is currently a bearish pattern that Bitcoin is experiencing. So I think if more people are selling Bitcoin, this is going to be a temporary just reshuffling of their portfolios. I think in general, in the long term, that if you were able to buy the dip per se, that you would definitely be able to benefit in the long run for this. So for me, I'm going to be restructuring my portfolio, trying to get some more Bitcoin, and just holding it for the long term, especially with these dips like now that are going on, because I think it's going to be a good asset in the future to hedge some of this inflation that's coming into the market. So, that's basically my strategy for Bitcoin. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys' strategy is for Bitcoin. Also, if you'd like to join and start trading Bitcoin, I have a link down below. I think Coinbase is a fantastic place where you can begin to start trading Bitcoin or buying any type of cryptocurrency. They sell just about everyone on there, and they're going to be IPOing pretty soon. So that's pretty good for the company in general. Also, I do have a Patreon page where I do talk about crypto as well as options and different stock things as well, and it does have a Discord group alongside with it. So if you'd like to join that, I have a link down below for that as well. So good luck to everybody out there that's trading. I hope everybody is able to lock in some profits for this week. And make sure if you have some money sit on the side, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to buy or when to buy. I'm just saying, for me personally, I'm looking at it and seeing the value of Bitcoin, and how many people are jumping into it. For me, I know it was a hard, to try to be like how am I ever going to get a single Bitcoin when it's, the price keeps going up? I wish it was on sale. So like now when the price is on sale, for me, I'm like, okay, this is a good buying opportunity. For some other people, it may be like, they've had it a long time ago and they may be selling a couple of them off at the current moment. So there are a lot of mixed feelings in the market overall, but I think, there's going to be a restructuring of portfolios coming out now, especially when tax time is coming. So don't be alarmed if you see something like this happening. Usually, the market restructures around tax time, and it is tax time. So just bear that in mind. It's to me, it's not something to be alarmed about. I kind of planned that this was going to be happening, but drop a comment down below. Tell me what your plan is for um, cryptocurrency in general. Do you think now's the time to diversify to get out of just Bitcoin and to get some Ethereum or Cardano or Doge or any of those different names, or are you all solely Bitcoin? So make sure you drop a comment down below. I love to discuss it with you all, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.